My family and I recently made the crazy decision to give up our old life as organic farmers and buy a 39-foot steel yacht to become sea gypsies. The yacht was located in Holland, and we needed to sail her back to the UK in order to kit her up for living in. Originally called Poor Sang, she's a Koopmans 39 steel cutter, perfectly designed for ocean sailing. She needs a bit of work, but on the whole, she's in very good condition. We decided to rename the boat Free Spirit, and we had a short ceremony to ask the gods to bless the boat, her new name, and all her crew. Soon after, a storm blew in, and we were stuck in harbour for a few days. Finally, the winds calmed down enough for us to set off on our voyage.
This is Sailing Yacht Free Spirit with an air draft of 18 metres heading south. Over.
The journey would take us through Amsterdam and across the Channel. Not our ideal sailing experience, as we are looking to go to wilder, more remote places. There was a brief moment before Amsterdam where we could stretch the sails for the first time. Coming into Amsterdam involved going under drawbridges and through locks, which is quite nerve-wracking if you're new to sailing and with a 12-ton boat. Finally, we began to head out to sea. My first night watch was definitely eventful, with busy shipping lanes, lightning storms, and engine failure due to diesel bug that had developed in our fuel tank due to lack of use whilst on the market. The conditions off the coast of Belgium became choppy and confused.
That's what I'm worried about!
We had a crash jibe and broke one of our shackles. Eek. We were forced to pull into the next port to sort out the diesel bug situation and make repairs. The sea conditions calmed down for the next leg of the voyage, which involved crossing the channel. After a long night, we made it to the White Cliffs of Dover and the UK, but we still had to sail her all the way to Mylor Harbour in Cornwall. Conditions picked up overnight, just off Portland Bill. Strong wind against tide, with large breaking waves, left us all feeling very shaky. We pulled into Brixham Harbour to rest and further deal with the diesel bug issue that had become a worrying problem. My boyfriend Rowan joined us and bought the new spade anchor for the boat. Unfortunately, I was unable to come for the last leg of the voyage, but it all went well, thankfully.
That's fine. She sits there.
Our maiden voyage was definitely a baptism of fire, but we learnt a lot and have a lot more faith in what the boat can handle. Please join us for the real adventure soon, as we move on to the boat properly and head out to wilder places.